How are you doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this 2017 BMW X3 xDrive20d xLine. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this grey metallic paint finish with the BMW kidney grille up front, the front parking sensors, the BMW spoke alloys on run flat tires, the xDrive20d badging, the silver trim around the windows, the rear spoiler, the shark fin aerial on top. To come around to the back, you had the BMW X3 badging, the rear tow bar, the rear parking sensors. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. The back seats are also collapsible to give you even more trunk space. And to close the trunk, it's a simple click of the button up there. Now let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW Sports steering wheel with the paddle shift, the 360-degree sensors, the BMW teleservice, the automatic transmission, the electric e-brake, the BMW iDrive system on board. The interior comes in ivory white Dakota leather with a fine dark wood oak trim. Fully electric windows, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers. The BMW SOS service system is included. Heated seats, keyless push button start ignition, the CD player, air conditioning, and many other extras. Now that was just a quick look around this 2017 BMW X3 xDrive20d xLine. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, folks, and I hope you enjoyed this video.